wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane.
Hi guys, welcome back to Art by Julie E. I'm Julie E. and I've got a painting here I did a while ago, and I want to try an experiment that I saw Fiona do about a week and a half ago. This is really busy, and I thought I gotta try what she tried, but on top of this painting to see if I can have something painted on top in negative space, but yet have some of the cells show through in the other areas. So we're going to be trying a transparent pouring medium, which is made up of 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and that's how I've mixed my paints for this too. My colors are golden fluid acrylic, carbon black, and the new TLP pigment is gilded. I thought those would complement this painting very well and look nice if there was gold and black negative space in kind of a swirled pattern and stuff. So that's what I'm kind of going for, and using a split cup to try and achieve it. And yeah, I'll let you see what happens and everything going forward. And then I also use what's left in my cup, my split cup, on a little 8-inch round also. So yeah, the little 8-inch round looks so cool. Comes out really cool. This one, I'll tell you right now, you are gonna see all the cells on that painting popping up in areas. That's all I'm gonna say. You gotta stay tuned for dry results. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put on some music now and watch the rest of the video, and I'll come back and see you for dry results.
And it never gets hard enough for you. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell, baby. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping, move me tonight.
this time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young again. Don't wanna chase highs when I'm too worn out. When I'm too worn out. So I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down again. I was born to be this high. Born to be this high. Born to be this high, my friend. Won't you come up here to my altitude? To my altitude, yeah, you. 'Cause I always liked you. I wanna share this view. I wanna share this view with you. We're never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down.
Hey, we're back. Here are the dry results, kind of dry results. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this. Holy cow. But after having the entire night, last night, tossing and turning to mull it over, I'm pretty sure I've nailed down one of three things. Maybe all of them played a role in it. Too much left on the canvas. It's already a painted canvas, so I should have sanded the bottom canvas a little bit to give it some tooth so that as it dried, the paint couldn't rebound and split. It would have grabbed the painting below it. And my climate, yesterday the dew point was -6, so the air is very dry and my lips are getting chapped. So yeah, I mean, it could have been any of those things, but and then on top of it all, what I had planned to do did not work. I wanted the Floetrol Liquitex pouring medium to take over in areas and expose the painting underneath, not have my paint split and expose the painting underneath. But you know, these things happen. I'm looking at it and I see the Roadrunner. Here's his legs running from Coyote. You know, maybe Coyote's back here running from him after an explosion. Meep, meep. So yeah, I gotta laugh, right? I mean, it was an experiment that didn't work and I learned from it. You know, I learned that I gotta go through and be methodical, not complacent, right? Gotta check your climate, gotta check your consistencies. And yeah, if you're doing things like this, sand your bottom painting a bit first, so that way it gives it some tooth. It gives it some friction kind of stuff for your paints to grab onto and not pull themselves apart when they dry. And yeah, you know, this is what happens when, you know, you think that you're having a perfect day and you don't need to follow all your steps. So, and to make an even more perfect day yesterday, I'm over here on my ink table because I got other stuff working on my main table. And during that work, I'm spinning and some paint splattered on this one, which was absolutely adorable, dried perfectly, absolutely love it. And then boom, paint flicks from my spinner. Nailed it. I might be able to clean it up, I'm not sure, but yeah, it dried perfectly. It's lovely. So it wasn't my paint fault. Nothing I did with my mix and stuff like that was wrong. Those were all spot on. But yeah, you know, other things happened. And like I said, complacency can kill a painting. So yeah, I blame me. So what you gonna do, right? Laugh at it, learn from it. There you go. That's my lesson to you. I pass that knowledge on to you. Okay? So All right. This does it for me. I will see you next Thursday. Please go check out Dave's DRH Creations, Acrylic-Creations. Oh, I always mess that up. Dave's DRH Acrylic-Creations and Just Janice. They were right before me in our Thursday train. I have the Thursday train playlist link down in the bottom of my description, and I also have the links to their individual videos in my description. So, you know, if you found this entertaining and, you know, informative, oh shoot, please do those UB2B thingies, you know, the likies, sharies, subscribies. They're free for you. They help us out a lot. And yeah, until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.